So many manual records? Hard to trace deviations, CAPA, or complaints. Any finding or delay in the QMS process directly impacts overall performance. Traditional QMS makes you chase documents, approvals, and updates across scattered systems. But quality should not feel like firefighting. Introducing AmpleLogic eQMS. With a unique role-based dashboard, see the graphical representation of workflows as a report. With color-coded record health, eQMS also includes modules like change control, deviation, CAPA, etc. Along with the access management, which is role-based and audit-ready, find AI-enabled SOPs to detect similar past cases and actions, and 21 CFR Part 11 with audit-ready data, compliance, and e-signature trails. eQMS has features like product usage reports to see when, where, and how often used. Get automated reminders and escalations so nothing slips through. And task generation report with auto extensions when timelines are crossed. Walk through the user access calendars to view planned and scheduled audits. Find the seamless integrations with DMS and LMS for end-to-end quality. With AmpleLogic QMS, you stay in control. Faster approvals, zero missing records along with clear accountability at every step. Quality is not just a process, it's trust. And with AmpleLogic QMS, trust is built in. AmpleLogic QMS, smart, seamless, compliant. Request your demo today.